this one just shows 30 degrees, but my weather app shows it's 25. Another sign showed 27, so I don't know what to believe anymore. At least it's quite windy here in Benidorm today. Even that windy, I don't know, or the jellyfish are still present. Maybe they all drifted off and the beach is clear again, so I'm heading towards that to check it out. One thing we do have as well is lots and lots of clouds hanging above the city, so it isn't the nicest weather. Wow, look at it, it's just empty out here. Guy for the sunbed is walking around, but he didn't have that much to do today, I think. It's really quiet at the beach. Hey, but we do have the green flag out again. The jellyfish are gone, which we had yesterday, so you can take a dip in the ocean again. Or you can have the beach to yourself, as it looks like, yeah. Unfortunate, no sun. Tiki beach is busy. Plenty of people in there, some on the street. Not a major crowd, but of course their targeted audience isn't coming to holiday to Benidorm. It's way too expensive in summer. So while I'm walking here, I'm thinking, like, why not go a bit more in the streets in a minute. Uncle Pet's number 2 is on the Avenida Europa, and I don't know if it's still open. I believe it was transformed to the British House, so I'm gonna have a look down there, see what it is, or it's still open. It's across the Alsa bus station, so curious.
Español. Español.
Still quite some people walking down here on the beach, but the beach itself is really calm today. I believe the rest of the week the weather is going to be a bit better, no clouds at least, and that means the temperature will rise a little bit more as well with that. And we have the Avenida Europa, and then it's on the left side I'm heading towards right now. And if you enjoy these videos, then please do give a like, really appreciate that, really does help me out. Hotel symbol. Oh wow, look at it. That close, almost. Spanish people park like crazy sometimes. There we have the strip. And down there, underneath there, there is the Alsa bus ticket office in the building down there. On the left, you can even see the Alsa bus, the blue one. People are waiting there. That is where it picks you up. We're heading back towards the airport. I believe it is 9 or 10 euros, something like that. It's not really expensive. If you're with a small party like 2 or just 1, it's most of the time the easiest way to head to Benidorm. This is the only place where they drop you off. And it also stops at the bus station just outside of Benidorm on this street. It's at the big roundabout where the fountain is when you enter it. But that's way too far out. I would get out over here. And from here on, it's quite easy to walk. If you want to head towards the end of the Rincon, it's about a 20 to 15 minute walk, I believe. That's it. Okay, so here we have, it is apparently British House. And it's closed, just empty. Don't know for how long. Still have the signs up, no prices anymore. Should be open from 12 and close at 11:30 at night. That's definitely not the case. Wonder what will come here. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. A bit of a walk through Benidorm, just showing it. A bit simple, but okay.